Hey, it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and today I would have liked to say I had an unboxing and first impressions and setup of the Google Pixel 5a, but what happens when someone asks you to hold the phone and they proceed to open it when you're not paying attention takes away from your unboxing experience. Can't help it, you know, somebody's just as happy as I am about me being a Team Pixel. I will show you everything that came in the box. You just won't get to see me take that nice plastic off the front. I didn't even get to remove it myself. I'd like to thank Team Pixel for making me a member of Team Pixel, and I appreciate the opportunity. As you can see back here, I'm very much a foldable device person. So Pixel, I'm gonna need a foldable soon, Pixel. And while I'm opening this box, I will tell you I'm excited this came before I left for my vacation for my birthday. Everybody brags about the Pixel camera and how great it is. There's that plastic I didn't get to remove. SIM ejection tool. Maybe some instructions. Maybe. There's a book. Some Google on how to set up your new device. And here you have a charging brick and a charging cord. Yeah, that's if you want to use data transfer with a, not USB Type-C from end to end. So you have the adapter in there. So that's all you got in the box. All this time I thought that was my window in the back, and that's the reflection off my camera. Sorry about that. I'm sure that's probably annoying to watch. It has a like a greenish hue to it if I hold it a certain way. But you know, Pixel has this great way of naming its colors. I'm sure this has to be like mostly black or something. It is mostly black, so it's mostly black. Oh, look at here, I didn't even notice they put Team Pixel on the back of the phone. Although this is my first Pixel, I am a tech kid. I do know a few things about the A line when it comes to the Pixel series. It is the more budget line. Usually there's no wireless charging. This is a 6.34 inch screen, 128 gigabytes of memory on board. It came with a 18 watt USB Type-C charger with power adapter. I showed you those. Yes, it requires a Google account, so if you're not a Google user, you're gonna need to pick you up a Google account, but who doesn't have one of those nowadays? It has 5G, so 5G is, for some people, is deal breaker if you don't have it. My area is pretty limited in 5G coverage. I can get it when I'm at work. I can't get it when I'm at home because I'm in the sticks. So let's get rid of the boringness and let's put Grogu up for the wallpaper. We'll put him up for the home screen. So now he's there. It has an IP67 water resistance, which is better than no water resistance at all, right? That's the rating that's gonna say, hey, you can drop it into a meter of water for about 30 minutes. I don't really get, you know, the whole IP rating system. Is good to have, I guess. I have taken my iPhone into the water before. I'm mostly with my watch, so I usually don't take phones in the water. But if you happen to drop it in the toilet or something, I guess you're good. Because the toilet's not a meter deep. And I'm sure you're not going to leave it in there for 30 minutes. But I have learned during the pandemic it's good to wash your devices every now and again. Or use phone soap. So you can actually just wash this phone if it happens to get a little dirty. I do see when I go here to try to remove the search bar, which I don't think is removable. Like I said, I've never owned one of these. It says search box effects. So you can turn the effects off, but I don't think you can get rid of the search box, which is fine, I guess. I'll have to say, when I transferred everything over, for lack of better terms, it transfers over like an iPhone. It's that pure Android experience. Everything kind of logged itself in. I have YouTube alerts up. My Google News has popped up. ESPN alerts. The other thing I noticed is I got a little bit of a reach for my fingerprint sensor that's in the back. That's what that little dot circle thingy is back here. That's the fingerprint sensor. It is fast. I have fairly long fingers. That's why I don't know why it's a struggle for me. I'm just getting adjusted, I guess. I've been using foldables too long. Here on the side, we have the volume rocker and the power button. It's ribbed on the side. So, power button. Oh, that's a little bit of a reach for me. I'm not even taking my Huawei with me to Florida now because I'm gonna have faith in this camera that it's gonna take great pictures for me for my birthday vacay. So if it doesn't work out, I'm coming for you, Team Pixel. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. But if it doesn't work out, then I've learned my lesson. So we'll see. You know, I'm not gonna pass judgment before I've ever used a device. Today is August 17th. My birthday is August the 20th. So, and my more, you know, first impressions after use kind of video, you'll get some real experience from me. Some real phone, real world experience. As far as like the home screen layout and stuff, it's as fast as all your newer phones nowadays, I guess you'd say. Pixel is the way to go. It gives you the pure Android experience. And sometimes I like a skin and I like some extra gestures and stuff. So I'm curious to see whether this is going to win me over like I've seen it win so many other people over. Because me, I like the gimmicks, the gadgets, the foldables. Remember, I'm Folderella. Is this going to be too plain for me? Maybe I'm a good candidate for this. Again, I'd like to thank Google for sending me this phone out. Made by Google. Gift from Google. Team Pixel. Pixel tips. This is going to be like one of my probably most used apps on the device. I'm going to go through these one by one, and by the time I shoot my next video, I'll be able to tell you a lot more about this device other than basic things like specs. Like techies want to know specs, but the real world people who are looking at this device to use it their everyday carry phone want to know how long the battery lasts for me. Is it laggy? I've already had people ask me, how does it compare to other Android devices? I'm just getting it out of the box today. So yeah, I can't tell you those things. I am really slow about telling people how I feel about a phone. Anything man-made, which technology is man-made, will let you down. So everything has its, you know, good points and bad points. I can't wait to see how this camera stacks up with Huawei cameras because Huawei is my favorite, and everybody says, oh, it's as good or better, and I'm like, I can't wait to see. Before we go, this is my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and see, it sits right in the screen of it. Like I said, this is more of their budget line phone, and this is like iPhone's flagships. In-house currently, I have iPhone 12 Pro Max, the Mi Mix Fold 5G, the Huawei Mate X2 5G, and I have the Microsoft Surface Duo. So I'm very much a techie, and I carry a lot of devices. So I'm hanging up my foldables for a little while. Let's see how this works out, people. I just don't know. Don't know yet. If you were to go try to order this phone right now, unlocked is $449. Just say $450, and you can get it on Google Fi for $450. Or you can do monthly payments of $18.71. If this is your first time by the channel, if you've enjoyed some content on this channel, you know, more than just one video, consider subscribing and consider hitting a like if you like this video. I have memberships on this channel. I do live streams every week, and I try to get a video out every week. If that's something you might be into, you can click below. Memberships have their privileges, of course, and, you know, it might not be a cup of tea, so there's no pressure there. But at any rate, I thank you for your time, because time is money, and I'll catch you on the next video.